First video in detox series is create a plan. The preparation stage is just as important as the cleanse. If you are already living a clean and healthy lifestyle, then preparing for a cleanse will be much easier for you. If you're not, that's okay. We all have to start somewhere, and this will be an excellent opportunity for you to begin your clean eating regimen. You want to start the cleansing process days before you begin the detox. Beginning about 3 days before, start eating light. Choose easily digested, highly nutritious foods such as soups, leafy greens, steamed veggies, raw veggies, and clear liquids. By doing this, you are allowing your body to ease into the cleanse. You don't have to go cold turkey on processed foods, but it's a good idea to begin to ease out of them. Start by ingesting more whole grains, fresh veggies, and fresh fruits. Replace one meal a day to start, then two, until you no longer crave those highly processed chemical-laden foods. You can start doing this long before your detox if you believe it will help the process go smoother. Here are some specific tips to help you prepare your body for your cleanse. Number 1. Begin every day with a glass of lukewarm water. You can even squeeze a little lime or lemon juice in it to help boost your metabolism. This room temperature water will help kick your digestive tract into gear and prepare you for the day. Number 2. Drink water, lots of water. Replace the sodas and sugary drinks with big glasses of water. If you want something a little different, you can incorporate natural or cleansing teas into your routine. Number 3. Hungry. Try drinking light soups or broths. These carry an incredible amount of nutritional value and help keep your body stay hydrated. They also help to fill you up between meals. Number 4. Avoid table salt. Table salt has absolutely no nutritional value and is toxic to your body. Instead, use sea salt, pink salt, or even kelp for seasoning. Number 5. Have a healthy breakfast. After you have sipped down that room temperature lemon water, make a shake. Include leafy green veggies, and all natural juices. Number 6. Reduce the amount of red meat you are intaking. Processed meats are also bad for your body, so attempt to avoid sausages or anything cured. Number 7. Cut down on bread and pasta, but increase your whole grains and gluten-free grains like quinoa. Number 8. Avoid those fried foods and baked goods. I know, it sounds so hard. But there are plenty of healthy and delicious alternatives. Most importantly, listen to your body. You will be amazed how, after your body detoxes from all of those refined chemicals, you will feel so much better. Your body will be healthier, less tired, and the fog will begin to lift from your brain. If you start out eating this way before your detox, you may just continue after.